If you want to see how I created this beautiful natural 10-minute makeup look, then keep watching. First, y'all, we're going to start off with this concealer. It's by MAC. It's 24-hour concealer. I really like this because it dries really fast. I know that could be a problem for some people, but not for me, especially right now, because I ain't got time to let it sit and set and all that stuff. So I just like to just put it where I have a little discoloration. Here, and here. Yep, that's pretty much it. We're going to use this, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in and blend it out. And you guys, y'all can kind of see me concentrating on the spot, and then I kind of like blend it out on the exterior. So just tap, and then just kind of blend around it. Okay, as you guys can see, everything looks nice and blended. You guys can still see my imperfections through the makeup because I didn't put much, and I actually prefer this look. These days I don't really like wearing like heavy foundations or anything like that. I like people to compliment my skin and just say, oh, you know, you have a really pretty skin, even when I have a full face of makeup on. So that's the kind of look I'm going for. Next, we are going to do highlight. All right, y'all, so I'm using this K-Skin SPF. It also has like a built-in highlighter in. I'm gonna show you guys how much I actually put on my skin. Y'all see, not much. Tip of my nose and my cheekbone, and just kind of like blend it out toward my hairline. All right, y'all, next we're going in with this Sephora powder. I believe the color is called Mahogany. It's come off the back. So yeah, I'm just going in and set the concealer just with a little teeny bit. I'm not going to use a lot. All right, so you guys can see here I still have some imperfection showing, and that's exactly what I want. Also here and my chin area and my forehead as well, but that's the look I'm going for. All right, y'all, next I'm going in with a bronzer. It's by Pacifica. You guys, I love this bronzer because it is sheer and you can still see through it, but it still gives you some color. And you guys, this color is pulling the color that is naturally in my eye, so it's just bringing everything together. Next, I'm going to use this same cream bronzer, and I'm going to contour my nose ever so slightly using the same brush that I used to apply my concealer. I'm just putting the smallest amount on my eyelid, and I'm not even putting it on my eyelid. I'm putting it between my brow bone and my eyelid. And I'm not too worried about a straight line because I wear glasses, so you're really not gonna even see. Okay, y'all, so next I'm gonna be applying these lashes by Ioni. They're the natural short curl. You guys, I don't use the full strip. I cut them about a little bit more than midway, and then I apply them about here to here on my lash. It looks very natural, and it's easier than trying to apply a full strip. I am a professional makeup artist, and I still have trouble putting lashes on myself. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these on. You guys, I'm just going to apply the lashes. I'm not going to be using any mascara or any eyeliner. So just the lashes today. And you guys, to me, when you're going for a natural look, either just wear mascara or just apply lashes. Don't mix the two, and don't add liner if you want to go for like a really natural look. So whew. Oh my gosh, you guys, this took forever to apply. Like, I had to take it off and reapply. Like, it's always, I'm telling y'all, it's always that one lash, like, it gives you hell. Anyway, she's on, she's cute. One last step, lips. All right, y'all, so when it comes to my lips, I always like to add a little clear gloss as a base first. It just helps extend the wear of any lip product that I put on, especially like other glosses. For whatever reason, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors, and I think these are the same people that make LA Girls. I'm not for sure, but it's just a clear little cheapy gloss. Cute little bear. So I could just go out like this with a clear gloss, but I'm just going to add a little something to bump it up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to go in with one of my favorite colors. It's by NYX. It's called Bitter Honey. Alright, y'all, so I could just wear this by itself as well, but I'm gonna bump it up a notch. I'm gonna be using this black Radiance black lipstick as a liner. Yes, this is like one of my favorite little tricks I like to do. So I just kind of put a very thin layer around the perimeter of my lip. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna like smudge it out. So just a little bit on here. And I like to do this after, because if you put it on before, it can overpower any lip product that you're going to put on with it. Just rub it together. Now you can take your finger or you can take a lip brush. I'm going to use my finger. It's clean. And just kind of like blend this out. Okay, y'all, so here's the look. Super natural, simple, and quick. Get into it. I know you guys can see the difference. Like, I still look like myself. My skin is still showing through. Looks very natural. It looks very touchable because it is. And yeah, it's just a super pretty basic quick 10-minute makeup look. So if you guys would like to see more content like that, please comment, like, and make sure you follow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.